division is our topic right now when it comes to fractions. And it's pretty cool because all we're going to do is remember that division, it goes back to multiplication. Now you can't just go around changing the problem to multiplication without making an adjustment. It's the reverse operation, so we have to reverse or flip, take the reciprocal, of the second fraction. And now you kick back into your skills that we talked about with multiplication. And we would end up, in this case, with, not quite. I was just ready to go. I forgot we can reduce a little bit more here. We would end up with a 5/6 for an answer. We can take 3 divided by 3, or excuse me, into the 9 and get a 3. And then 2 goes into the 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 10. Gives us a 5. So we could go and across. Again, remember, the whole big thing here is just having to flip that second fraction. So we would have here 32 fifths. All right, having a flashback. Remember how to do that? Okay. Now we don't want divided by 4. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal. And so that would be, again, going right across 32 twentieths. Now, again, notice how this time I didn't reduce first. You still are okay. You just have to eventually reduce. And a lot of people will see that these are both even numbers, so you can divide those by 2. And again, you can keep going. Hey, even numbers. And there you have it, the 8 fifths. So you can keep going. You don't have to necessarily do that shortcut, right? But you have to reduce eventually. Now, here we go. We got 2 mixed numbers. First thing, don't even do any flipping, which a lot of people want to flip right off the bat. Don't do any flipping, just right at the beginning, change it to an improper fraction. Again, double check, make sure you did that correctly. It's looking good. Now we can flip. Too many people start flipping right in the beginning, and then they get frustrated, wonder why they got the wrong answer. And again, you only flip that second fraction. So again, 2 changes. All right, and here we go. Multiply right across. We would have 55 out of 36. If you want to make it a mixed number, you can. But it's definitely reduced because there's just a 5 and an 11 for factors up top. There are no 5s or 11s down below. So you can make it if you were looking for some extra practice, take the 36 and then the 55. And, let's see here. We would end up with looking like a 9, 1 and 9/36. And then we could reduce from there. All right? Keep practicing.